For many small businesses and freelancers, finding the right financial solution is crucial. A lot of you have been asking about Qonto, specifically, if it's available in your country. It's a great question, and the answer isn't a simple yes or no, because Qonto has a specific focus. Qonto is a European financial service, and their primary focus is on businesses registered within the European Economic Area. They are currently available for companies and freelancers registered in several key European countries. That list includes France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Austria, Belgium, the Netherlands, and Portugal. So, if your business is registered in one of those countries, you're in luck. You can open a Qonto account and take advantage of their services, which include things like local IBANs, business MasterCards, and tools for invoicing and bookkeeping. They've built their platform to simplify financial management for companies in those regions, from sole proprietors to growing SMEs. Now, what if your company is not registered in one of those countries? This is where it gets a little more nuanced. While you can't open an account for your business, your Qonto card will work internationally. It's a MasterCard, so you can use it for payments and withdrawals wherever MasterCard is accepted, which is pretty much everywhere. This is fantastic for business travel or making purchases from international suppliers. And Qonto has partnerships that make international transfers to over 130 countries and in more than 30 currencies easy. So, to sum it up, to open a Qonto account, your business must be legally registered in one of the specific European countries they serve. But once you have an account, its functionality extends globally, making it a powerful tool for businesses with international needs. If you're a business owner in one of their supported countries, it's definitely worth looking into. And if you're not, keep an eye on their expansion plans, because the world of fintech is always changing.